In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis to your Discord server in a quick and easy way. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support my work. First, open your Discord server. Then, click on the server name and go to Server Settings. In the left side menu, click Emoji. After that, click the blue button to upload the image of the emoji you want to add to your server. Here's a tip. If you want ready-made emojis without having to create them yourself, visit the website emoji.gg. There you can find many different types of emojis already made. Just download the one you like and upload it to Discord. There's also another way to add custom emojis using the MEE6 bot. To add this bot to your server, click on the server name again and then click on App Directory. You'll be redirected to the Discord page where you can find bots and tools to add to your server. Search for the bot you want, in this case MEE6. Click on it, then click Add App, select Add to Server, choose the server where you want to add the bot, and click Continue. After that, authorize all the permissions so the bot can function properly in your server. Click Authorize, complete the CAPTCHA, and return to your server. Next, you'll need to access the MEE6 dashboard. To do this, click the link that the bot sends in the chat. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Popular Plugins, then select Emojis. Here, you'll find several ready-made emojis that you can add to your server. To add one, simply click the Activate button on the emoji you want. Finally, go back to your server, click on the server name, open Server Settings, and go to Emoji. You'll see that the emoji has been successfully added to your server. And that's how you add emojis to your Discord server. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to support the channel.